my part 2 of fitting a hydraulic hose. So now, this is part 2. I will make now the hose to fit to this one. We will fit this hose to this one, and the other one, this one. So, and now, this is the hydraulic crimping machine for hydraulic hose crimping machine. This machine used to crimp the hose to make hoses, hydraulic hoses, for water hoses, all the kind of hydraulic hose. This machine is fit to make it. And now we will I will perform how to fit this how to use this machine to make the hose. So you put this one. It is be sure that this hose is being fit very okay. This one. So now, so in order to fit this one, you must I have my friend, he's Ahmad. He's a Bengali. He's our machinist here also. So he helped with me also to make this activity successful. This is my friend from Bangladesh. He is a Bangladesh also. And the one who making the and the one who assists us, this is Mr. Frank from Ghana. Okay, now we will crimp this hose. So in order to start the engine, we must check the breakers here, the wire here, if it's safe. So no debris. So this is the on, and this the open, the close, and the open. This is the close, and the open. Okay, so we will put the hose. Come here. The hydraulic hose, we must come here. This one, in this area, we will make this one here, so it will be fit. Okay, so this is the open and this is the close. So we will slowly close the operate the machine. It is important to make the hydraulic hose. You have here maybe you just make 5 mm gap, so the crimping is very nice. So okay, then open it up. Don't forget the 5 mm gap. Okay, so it close. After the close, don't forget to shut off the machine. Shut off the machine and put the cover it, so the dust will not came in to the machine. And it is safe also to have this one to maintain the machine is good. Come here, Frank. So now this is what I make, one hydraulic hose for fitting. So this one here now, and this here now. So this is ready for installation. So I hope you like my video for the MAM for the ATTC training for Australia. And good morning.